Hi everyone, congrats on getting accepted to Penn State College of Medicine. Today I'll be giving a tour of my apartment in University Manor East. This is just an overview of what it looks outside. We have a lot of neighbors. There are a lot of benefits to living in UME, such as the proximity to class, and we have utilities and close by parking included with no additional cost. So when you walk in, you will be entered into the living room. I was initially hesitant to live here because UME is kind of outdated, but it's what you make of it, so hopefully this video can give you some ideas for decorations or how to set up your apartment if you decide to live here. So the living room is pretty big, and we are able to fit a couch and a chair and have friends over if we want. This window is really nice. It's also a door to go to our patio area. And we also have a closet which fits a lot of our things and jackets and storage stuff, so I don't think we have any limitations to storage. Our dining area branches off from our living room, as you can see in this clip, and I was able to fit a 5-person or 6-person table here, and we have plenty of room to host dinners and events with our friends. This area is a little bar area off of our kitchen, so I was able to put 2 bar stools here. Walking down this hallway, you have both bedrooms in the back, and your kitchen to the left and the bathroom to the right. The kitchen is pretty standard. Our appliances are a little outdated, but nothing of, too much to worry about. We're able to cook and, use the kitchen as needed, and maintenance is really helpful and quick if anything stops working or needs to be fixed. We have plenty of storage. The bedrooms are pretty standard size. I was able to fit a full-size bed and a dresser, and we have a built-in desk. We have pretty big windows in here, and that allows a lot of natural lighting, which I'm really thankful for. And as you could see, the hospital was just right across the road, so it's a less than a 5-minute walk to class. I have good closet space, able to fit all my clothes and anything else in there. The desk space has a nice built-in bookshelf for any trinkets or things and books you want to display, and I have enough space on my desk itself for a monitor, my laptop, and any other things I need to study. Moving on, we have in-unit washer and dryer, which is really nice, in this little hallway to the bathroom. The bathroom has a shower and 2 mirror slidey things for your personal items. It's on the smaller side, but it's functional. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out in the Facebook group. Bye!